If you're brand new to the Optimus Futures Web platform, this video will walk you through how to log in, access your charts, and get familiar with the core layout tools to help you trade with speed and confidence. So first, log in with your credentials and select your data connection. So when you first log in, you'll have obviously a chart with some panels on the left, right, top, and bottom. And the first panel that we'll go over is the top panel. In this section, we can specify our asset symbol. You can also type and search. Select your contract month. And then here we can change the time interval. So if you have a few favorite time frames that you want to have accessible quickly, just hover over it and click on the heart. We'll do 5 and 15 minute. And then they'll show up here in the top, and you can just click back and forth. We can also specify what type of chart it is. So typically I use candlestick, but there's hollow candle, open, high, low, close, all these other options. So you can play with those and see what type of candlestick or pattern works best for you. We can also compare asset classes. So if we wanted to compare MES with MNQ, we can overlay that on the chart. We can also add indicators. There's options here. So click and search, or you can just type in what you're looking for. Click and add it to the chart. On the left panel is the drawing toolbar. So normally you may have some of these icons available immediately. If you don't, click on drawing tools. And again, you can click and search from the dropdown, or you can just type in whatever you are looking for and apply that to the chart. If you want to have some of these accessible, just like the time frame, hover over it and click on the heart. And it will be added here. So you can just click and apply it to the chart. We also have magnet mode, draw mode, lock the chart. You can link drawings to this layout, and then you can also hide certain objects. So if we want to hide all drawings, it would do that, and then unhide like so. In the bottom panel, we have a layout section, so we can do full chart, which we're on now, or we can do a 2-row chart and specify different time frames for each, so you can see different time frames all in one screen. So now we have a 4-hour chart on top and a 1-hour chart on bottom. You can change the amount of time displayed. So if we want to do 5 years, we would click on that, all, and so forth. You can apply certain themes to your chart. We have dark and light theme. You can also save your layout or make a clone. And then here we have your account summary. If we click on trade, we'll pull up a trading panel for this particular asset. And then we also have one-click trade that pulls up this menu to where you can just click sell or buy to immediately execute a trade. This layout gives you everything you need to chart, draw, and also trade. In our next video, we'll go over depth of market and also discuss the difference between market and limit orders, and also how to place each within Optimus Futures Web. You can try this for yourself at demo.optimusfutures.com. There's no sign up needed, and we'll see you next time.